Recording desktop audio on a Mac has been a problem for years. It's been a real hassle. You've had to jump through a lot of hoops, but a new update to OBS Studio means you can literally do it in one click. Check this out. Okay, so this is the desktop on my Mac, and this is a track I'm working on in Ableton Live. Now, normally I'd have to jump through lots of hoops to be able to record the internal audio, but now all I have to do is open OBS, go to the little plus symbol here, and make sure that audio output capture is selected as your audio source. That's it. That's all you need to do. So now if I go back to Ableton, play this track. It records my desktop audio. So make sure your audio source is set to audio output capture and your video source is set to Mac OS screen capture. That is literally all you have to do. And that is it. OBS Studio is a completely free download. I'll put a link in the description where you can grab it for yourself. Thanks for watching. See you next time.